If you are new to this video, click subscribe and do like. Today I am going to show you about how to block the internet on your Wi-Fi clients using netcode tool. Let's start the tutorial. I am going to download netcode tool from netcode tool website. Download netcode from Windows. I will provide this link in description. Download netcode 3.0, and I have already downloaded it, and it's already downloaded here. I'm going to run this, and if it is protected, shows error. Run anyway. Give it the administrative permission and it will start installing. It's installing, and we need to install WinPickup, which is required for network management. Install it. If any error occurs, ignore it. It will install automatically, and when installation finished, it will start automatically, and you need to restart your PC once. Restart for better use. And you can see that many devices are connected here now, and we can edit for them too. I'm going to use this slider for control, and I'm giving it only 100 kbps. 100 kbps for there are many devices connected, so I'm giving 112, and that's how it works. You can also see how many kbps is running on other devices. They exceed the limit. The average speed will be